All right. Super quickly. Sunday night, I made a video. My computer's going to die, dude. I'm putting a new drive in today, so don't worry about it. So I was looking for this breakout here, okay? This didn't happen, right? It was one of the few times where I kind of ignore the spread amaze to the downside on the 1 hour, okay? Not the 4 hour, on the 1 hour. Didn't work out, right? We had a false breakout that broke down, right? So now we are continuing to be short biased with being extremely aware that we're at range lows here. Okay, like demand can step in at any second and do this again. So I am short biased. If demand does not step in, that's where you get big fast moves, the kind of moves we like, right? If we get big fast moves, usually on the lower time frames, like the 1 minute, the 5 minute, whatever, we don't really, if we break down, we're not really going to pull back. Ooh, I'm telling you, my computer's not happy, dude. We aren't going to really pull back, beyond really like the 20, the 10 in some instances. So if we get a breakdown over here, which, things are looking good. The MAs are spread to the downside for the most part. They're starting to cross here, but I can trail this a little tighter down to kind of these targets than I normally would. Okay, because A, if it moves, it'll probably move fast and far, and B, we're at the lows of this range, which is where demand can step in, and we don't want to get caught in like a big rally that gives back most of our position, right? And if we're in a situation down here where we catch a nice move, things pop back up, we get stopped out, and then things continue to dump, chances are there's going to be a chance for a re-entry, right? If it's one of those fast-moving, big sell-off days, right? That kind of environment is pretty good for giving you re-entry opportunities. If things start chopping around here, again, because we're at the range lows, don't even trade it if we start chopping here. Wait, sit on your hands. Okay. Gold is the other one that I talked about Sunday night, gold got the memo. Okay, gold is doing what I kind of wanted to see. Oh, my poor computer. Okay, we were looking for the break above this trend line, and we were looking for MAs to flip long, which has happened. Okay, I did take like a couple small longs in here this morning, but I'm kind of waiting now as we're kind of bumping into some of my targets. I'd love to see price kind of come back kind of below this and then like start setting up again and then look for some longs to continue higher. But regardless, gold is long bias again for me because 1 hour, MAs are starting to spread again to the top side, right? So on 1 minute or 5 minute, if MAs are spread and pushing up, they're spread in order. That's where I'm looking for, bull flags, trend line breaks, what have you. Okay? Stuff like this. Stuff like this. Ya Habibi. You know what I mean? But yeah, man. Cool. Let's get it. And let's be chill. Let's be patient. Let's do what we do. Okay? See you later.